back to my channel. My name is Jane, not Janet or Janette. So I have shared a few videos on how I pack my journaling and stationery supplies for travel using different kinds of pouches. And today I am excited to share the latest one I'm using, and this is the Bellroy Hanging Toiletry Kit. So this pouch has been a game changer for me because, you know, I always like to use different kind of pouches to use as a stationery travel organizer. You know, like previously I did share like it was also like a toiletry pouch, and then I do also have like some mesh bag from Muji. People can store anything, but I use it to store my supplies. So yeah, this is how I always like to use things differently. So I'm always on the lookout on something that really lasts longer, and especially as the quality like this one. Why? Because it's designed for toiletries and it's been working so well for this one. Oh yeah, what best is about this kit is that they can actually sit upright. Yep, this is how it looks like. You know what? Yeah, there's no pencil kit could actually sit upright like this, holding so many things. But yeah, I don't really store that much, am I? But it looks bulky in here, right? Because there's a journal in here right now. The Traveler's Notebook journal is inside right now. But yeah, anyway, yeah, what I was saying is that it sits upright and it actually hangs because there's this little hook here. Ta-da! Yeah, it's a toiletry kit. Of course, it hangs. And then you actually lays flat. And this is how it looks in the inside. Oh, I should be like opening this side or this side. But anyway, look at the quality, and it stores so much. I'm not kidding you, my journal is right here and it fits perfectly. I was so happy when I got it, and then the moment I tried this, putting this in, it fits just nice. Oh my god, guys, which stationery pouch could actually fit so many things together, everything, this kind of quality, like a waterproof quality. As you can see, I am using the regular size Traveler's Notebook. It's all in here, and I also store a little folder to store all my stickers and scraps that I have been using recently. So yeah, I don't know where is this folder from, because I got it as a gift from a friend. Maybe she got it from Daiso, I'm not too sure. Yeah, I'm not too sure, but yeah, it doesn't, I mean, I could also put in my, like, behind here, but then it's slightly bigger, wider, so it doesn't fit. But yeah, this is perfect for me because it's, look, so I think if you look at Bellroy's website, it's supposed to put your bottle of toiletry, whatever, your makeup remover and stuff like that is supposed to stand upright in here. But then yeah, I'm using to store my journal at the moment. Yeah, so I like how this thing works here, this deep pocket that actually gives me all the easy access to all my supplies, whether I'm traveling on a plane or in a hotel or in a cafe. I could just bring this whole thing out with me. Especially this hook, I think it's very unique because, like, if you don't need it, you can just like keep it back in its pocket, right? Yeah, when I was traveling on the plane, I actually tried to hook it on the what do you call it, like this on the plane. Like, I have a video of it, but then this is really heavy, so it's kind of like tilted, like falling off. But then yeah, I think this is how it works. It's a toiletry kit bag. So I don't really bring that much pens. I only need some basic pens. I need, this part would be the colorful pens, and this would be the basic pens that I need. You can actually put your like a toothbrush and toothpaste, but I'm storing my pens that I need. Like the first one, definitely this waterproof brush. I love this. This is from Tombow. And then I need my liquid paper or corrector pen. My only fountain pen that I'm using a lot at the moment. This is the Mini Twist B fountain pen, a pencil, This is from Traveler's Notebook, by the way. It looks very unique. Let me put this one side. It looks very, very unique because this is how the pencil looks like. And then I definitely need a rubber because, you know, I use a lot. I write a lot with pencil, and then I would change it to permanent with a fountain pen. Do have this multi-pen Janethecrazy collector. Did you see the new one that they just launched? It's so colorful. This has been very useful to me because it has like 4 colors here, but then this is not waterproof. Yeah, but then I need this. Like sometimes you need like to write, you know, like the traveling document and stuff. Some paper doesn't work well with fountain pen, so I definitely need this, and it has like 4 colors that I need, so this comes in handy. And then I do have my business card here just in case if anything happens, but I have a small little business card here. It's Hello Janey because this is my photography website, hellojaneleephoto.com, and then my phone number is in here, and this is like waterproof, guys. Yep. Where do you find this? It's waterproof. It's waterproof. And this is very perfect. I love how, and then it's like a bit of see-through so that I can see. So this is where I store the colorful stuff, which is I definitely just need one highlighter at the moment. And I have all this. As you can see, my journals my journal pages are quite colorful because I like to add colors. So this is a mini watercolor palette that I got from Shopee. Yeah, but I don't know what's the exact brand, but you can definitely like buy tubes and buy small palettes, and you can put your own color in. So yeah, I got it from Shopee. I think it should be a China brand. I'm not sure, but Shopee is like a shopping app in Malaysia. But anyway, you can totally find like a similar ones on Amazon. And what is this? This is for me to spray, like to wet the watercolor. Yep. So this is like a tiny bottle spray. Yeah, I imagine like you definitely can't bring bigger ones because what if you want to check in your luggage? So be mindful what you're bringing, especially like if you're taking a scissors, do not store them here. Put it in your check-in luggage. I have 2 watercolor portable brushes here, which they are very useful and comes in handy when I like to, like, why I have 2? Because they're 2 different brush head. Yeah, they're in different sizes. Yeah, sometimes I would use this one, sometimes I would use this one. So yeah, that's it. That's nothing much here. I like it's not too big and it's not too small, so it's just nice so that I wouldn't bring too many things. I wouldn't bring too many things and end up not using them. Okay guys, this has to be my favorite lower compartment because it is super spacious and it has this magnetic snap. Can you hear that? Yep, it's super magnetic, and you can actually put a lot of things in here. Like I'm just storing random stuff. I was thinking at first maybe I could store more paper scraps that I collect during the travels, but then it was actually a short trip, so I don't think I travel. So I don't think I've collected so many things except the plane ticket. Yeah, and I was actually there to work, so I didn't really. And I've been to that place many times, so I didn't really collect any ephemerals and stuff like that. But I did bring things that I really need, like this big giant clip. This is not a hair clip, guys. This is for my journal. How do I use it? I don't know what the brand is this. Okay, it says this is the Ukan Muri. I have 2 colors of this. Ever since I'm a big fan of clips. I have so many kind of clips, but this is the best. It's huge, but yeah, it's just because like sometimes like you want to work on like really flat. You really want it to be flattened, and it works perfectly. Yeah, you guys have to get this. This is like the best clip ever. I wish they have more different colors, like neon colors. So I only have this one, and the other one was like pastel pink. But I would really hope they in the future have different kind of patterns like polka dots and make it colorful, and maybe they have different seasons and patterns and whatever. Yeah, I do hope they will come out with more colors and choices. But this size is perfect, which is why I have definitely one clip in my pouch here. So yeah, this is the one that I have. And then what I have here, yeah, definitely my AirPod. When I journal and travel, I would like to have I would like to listen to some music. And this is the Tiger Balm. You know, I'm 40, so I do have a lot of sore everywhere my body because I work out a lot. Well, you don't know, like sometimes maybe you journal until your neck is tired, and this is gonna be very, very helpful. Like just apply a little bit and then listen to your music and journal at the same time. It's like the best combination ever. And then what else I have here? So yeah, definitely a glue stick from Gloo, Gloo. It's a Japanese brand. Guys, check this out. Ever since I use this brand, I'm not switching to any, and it smells great. I mean, it smells like glue, but like a better version of glue smell. And yeah, I'm using, if you buy Gloo, Gloo, it has like a different kind of sizes and different kinds of glue. So this one, I'm using Gloo, but I do have like a different version. Okay, maybe you're not sure what I'm saying, but check out Gloo, Gloo, the Japanese brand Gloo, and then you will know what I mean. They have so many, they have like three versions kind of glue, like depending what you want to stick. What else? Oh, I do have like this, what is this? Definitely I do have, yeah, this is my SanDisk external hard disk, because sometimes like I was using this on a plane and then I pull this out from my bag and then my laptop, and sometimes I really like to work as well. So I think this is also a safe place for me to store here in case, I don't know, like if this would be in my tag bag, everything will be tag stuff. So sometimes I like to store it's like money, you like to save it, you like to store it in different places so that it won't get lost, you know what I mean? So these are the things that I don't think this bag gonna get stolen, because what you see is just stationery. People would not expect there'll be a SanDisk in here. They probably think this is just a toiletry kit. And then I have, yeah, I know, yeah, something toiletry, something from the toilet. Oh, I'm gonna use this so I can wrap my head and then journal at the same time. No, no, this is a shower cap, because I always have one in my pouch, because I use this like for like a trash bin. I do some of my videos that you see me, actually I have one of this, then I would open it because I like to tear papers and scraps. And then imagine you have so much scraps, let's say on the plane, and people will be wondering, why are you carrying so much scraps, and where are you gonna store them, where are you gonna throw them? So this shower cap comes in handy. You just open it and put all your trash inside. Yeah, it's so easy. It's like, it works like a mini trash bin. Yeah, that's why this is one of the hacks that I've learned by myself. Yeah, no one taught me about this, but I used to have so many of this, and it's been so useful. And not only that, you can just not only you can store trash, you can also keep your dirty shoes in your luggage if you do not have a bag for it, your shoes or socks and dirty stuff. Yeah, but anyway, which is why I have one here. Yeah, can you see that? I definitely love this. So now it's flat. It's all flat because there's nothing in here. Imagine if you store so many things, it's gonna be super bulky. But then I love it. They also have like different color, which I regretted. I should have gotten the army green color, but black is fine too. I love how soft this fabric they're using, and it makes it super flexible to fit into my luggage, and even like water resistant. And at the moment, I super love this setup. At the moment, it's huge, yeah. But then, yeah, by the way, guys, I don't really like use this all the time. I mean, only when I plan to like really go out and journal, and I have many things with me, but sometimes I only like just go out like short distance, not travel, okay? Just a journal and a fountain pen, that's it. That's all I bring. So yeah, but sometimes I would, when I feel like, I'm gonna journal, I'm gonna spend a few hours, so this is the whole thing that I would need. Like, yeah, I would have everything, you know. This one, you guys might guess, must have one. This is a tiger balm. Like, okay, you guys must be wondering, what is this? This is a tiger balm soft version from Malaysia. It is effective relief for dizziness, stuffy nose, itchiness, muscular pain, sprains, insect bites. Wow, I didn't even know. Apply tiger balm soft gently on the affected area 3 to 4 times a day. Yeah, I think I definitely use more than that. Yeah, I have, and then I have like even more version of this. I have the bottle version. Sometimes I was thinking like maybe I should just display all out. Like here's my collection of tiger balm. Yeah, that's it for the video for today. So if you're looking for a stylish and functional way to store your stationery while traveling, this might just be it. Well, if you end up don't liking it, then you can just switch it and use it as a toiletry kit, right? Or maybe you could just give it to your husband. Your husband would definitely love it. Okay, let me know in the comments, how do you pack your journaling supplies for trips? I'll see you in the next one. Bye!